Real quick, my friends, before we get this video started, I got two quick announcements for you. First off, Ultimate Callout Challenge is this weekend. Make sure you guys are coming out. It is going to be one rowdy, insane weekend. We will be there with the 05 competing in the Ultimate Callout Challenge. We'll be set up there all weekend long, so make sure you guys are coming out. That is announcement number one. Number two, make sure you guys are getting entered in our latest giveaway. We've got our 2015 4th Gen Cummins, which is our latest giveaway with a brand new Diamond C trailer, plus the 10 grand that it comes with. You guys are not going to want to miss out. Easily one of the best do-all setups that we have ever done. You're going to want to get in. We don't run these giveaways very long, few short weeks. The cool part about this is the next upcoming events, including Ultimate Callout Challenge, anything that you grab from us at any of the events automatically gets you entered as well for the giveaway. So you can go to wrenchworks.com, you can get entered online, or you can go to one of the events and get entered there, because we're going to have tons of stuff with us. So make sure you guys coming out to Ultimate Callout Challenge. We'll see you there. Get entered for the giveaway. Let's get this video rolling. Brother, oh boy, oh boy.
Brother's stuck.
We are gonna get stuck. Oh, get her, get her. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, she's wet. She's wet back there. That's a hell of an intro for the YouTube video. Brother, brother. All right, guys, well, welcome back to another video. Me and Blake have traveled out to, was it Winchester, Kentucky? To Thoroughbred Diesels. It's basically a dyno day. It's competitive parking. We got some vendors. We got the Swept Line and the Shorty out with us today. And we're gonna dyno the Shorty on the Superflow dyno. A lot of people were thinking we were gonna bring the 05 out because it is the same dyno that is at UCC, but we're saving the show for UCC. We're still making tweaks on the 05, so we brought out the Shorty. As you can see, we have already got a line and a half for the dyno. So we're not really exactly sure what the Shorty is gonna do. I wouldn't say that it's not really dialed in quite yet, but we're gonna get a baseline today. Usually we put it on our own dyno, data log some stuff. Oh, we got bottles. We got bottles. I didn't actually bring any. I didn't bring any nitrous. I was gonna say that's pretty odd for us, but we're gonna see what the Shorty does, even though it's not really dialed in my opinion. But we're gonna have a good day out here, have some fun. Brought the Peterbilt, and yeah, that's where the day is starting, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, buddy, we got Cody, we got Elmer doing the damn thing.
Elmer was just over there, you were talking, he's like, oh, poor Greg's talking to himself in the field again.
Yeah. And what else is new? me and my selfie cam. GoPro Greg out here just getting her done.
GoPro Greg.
That was my original nickname. Original nickname. Should we bring it back? Because
Shaky
well, before real cameras were, you know, you used to do everything with a GoPro, so I was GoPro Greg.
That's before my time, Greg.
Yeah,
I'm on that kick, bro.
You were still in diapers.
I was still in diapers when GoPros came out.
All right, we have entered the competitive parking lot here. Oh, brother, you got that air ride.
Okay, that's the one I'm talking about.
Wow, I am shaking. Wow, I'm shaky over here. Shaky 2.0. Yeah, brother. Get her.
Brother.
Oh, there he is. There he is. Get in there, brother.
That's big six.
I think you know what? We should have a brother counter on this video.
Brother.
We're up to like 50 brothers in one video.
Brother, you're staring at my next purchase.
Blake thinks he might buy this.
Give me a reason not to.
I heard you won't, honestly. I heard you won't.
Does he take a tire changer for trade?
Tire changer for trade. It's got the old man stick in there. Oh yeah.
Those compounds.
That's how you know.
Crazy nice.
That's what I
did not expect that compound setup.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice. How much?
Success.
Very nice. How much?
It says for sale. Doesn't have a price. That's usually scary.
Yep.
Yeah. Show them the back and they'll understand why it's scary.
We're gonna find out. Well, Blake's gonna find out. I'm not gonna find out.
Yeah, it's the wrong color. The minute I saw that the frame was powdered, I got scared.
Yep.
Of price. Hey, there's a missing piece to this puzzle.
Ooh.
Keep looking.
Oh, look at that. Oh,
no,
brother.
Come to this
no,
side,
there's a hole right there.
I'm looking in the downpipe currently.
Oh, you're looking in the downpipe over there? Oh, yeah, brother.
Yeah, she came out of there. Oh, there's a lot of wool on this side. That was white earlier.
Little turbo action.
You'll have that on the big job.
Oh yeah. Got the man stick in there. We're just gonna walk down the aisle here, see what's happening. Oh, I see a man stick in that one.
Oh,
see a man stick in that one.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh.
That's cute. I mean, what?
What? That's average. Average is the word you were looking for.
Just kidding. Love you. Love you. Oh, this is the Eco Diesel boys. Eco Diesel boys. All right. I didn't know they had a lowest horsepower category.
Hey.
I don't know what just happened of me talking crap to everybody. You want to leave it open? Want to leave it open? You want to give the secrets out?
Wow.
Oh, brother. That looks pretty.
Yeah. I actually like that.
What size air?
472 and a 488.
Nice.
100%.
All right, we're ready to party on this one.
Yeah, we'll see some action.
I don't spray nothing.
Hey, you're safe then. You're safe then. That's a clean looking truck.
Yeah, I ended up at Fire Punk Tuesdays. They was trying to get me to spray it on.
Did you get numbers up there?
Yeah, it was 1321.
1321?
Yeah.
Cool. What do we got going on here? Shiny. Ooh, compounds.
No, Zeg nice.
Very nice.
Alright, so pump.
Do you know what it makes power-wise?
Like 13, 14.
Nice.
Size injectors.
200 overs, dual 14 more pump.
It's the right color. Mr. Michael Brown, the only man brave enough for the UCC competition to bring his UCC truck out to get some testing done. Yeah, I know you're full of secrets over here.
Yeah.
Wow, what's going on here?
That's cool.
Let's just keep it nice, or
Yeah, just keep it nice.
is it blanky, a little bit blanky?
Yeah.
Where's your gloves? Where's your mittens?
They're in the truck.
Ooh, pretty.
Ooh.
Fresh deck plate.
Man, Brian did really good on this.
Yeah. Drove it from the trailer
Goose
to
Creek
here.
Garage,
That's as far as it's been.
So we're testing. This is UCC testing happening right here. What's the highest that it has dynoed before? Was it at
2207.
22? 22 at Blake's?
He ended up hurting it there, though.
We're not going to say that word. We're not going to do nothing of that.
He did it
Okay?
there, though. He got a new deck plate.
Yeah,
now.
this is all
Yeah.
It wasn't deck plate then.
I just built this. It started yesterday at lunch.
I know the feeling. I do know the feeling. Update here. We are in the line for the dyno with the Shorty. We're gonna see what it does. Like I said, I don't really have any expectations for it. If it makes 1,000, I will be extremely happy, especially without any tweaks or changes to pretty much anything. Fresh transmission, first time dyno in a 68 RFE transmission, so we're just gonna see how it goes. There are different dyno classes, so there's an unlimited, which obviously is pretty self-explanatory. There is a limited, which you cannot go above 2,700 combined horsepower and torque, and you can't go over 900 horse. So I don't know what the truck will or won't do. If it does make somewhere in that low 800s or 900 for some reason, we signed up for the limited class just to see if we can't like maybe sneak in there if something weird happens. But I don't know. I do hope that it makes more than 900 horsepower.
I mean, it has the stuff to do that.
It has the goods. It has the goods, but I mean, you never know. But again, we've barely driven this truck even on the street, let alone full throttled it, because the transmission really wasn't able to like hold up to any of the power, and we still don't really have that many miles on the transmission, so that doesn't really matter for the dyno because we're not shifting under power. We're gonna have it be in one gear, but we're just gonna see what happens, brother. smoothest entrance that I've ever had on this dyno.
Yeah, it was still pretty rough.
No, rough is okay. Sliding and not being able to get up it.
Oh yeah,
challenge.
So like, you wanna do it?
That's okay. The noise and the roughness, that's good.
You wanna do a gentleman's bet
on horsepower?
That's $1.
I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna go 1,000. Take the under over.
Just 1,000.
Take the under over.
I'm gonna do under 1,000.
Under 1,000.
Under 1,000.
It's a safe bet.
Houdini's Carnage is what we need.
Carnage? Yeah. We don't want carnage.
Have you got a bottle?
Everything's gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine.
Yeah, we got a bottle on the ground. We got
no. The bottle's gonna stay on the ground. We're saving that for 2 weeks. $649. Hell yeah.
I win.
What do you think? Oh, heavier on the load, or?
I feel like I just need to get it to come on.
Yeah.
Take two.
Take two.
The rev limiter.
Yeah, found the limiter. The limiter's really low.
Ready? One more.
It's ever coming on top of it. Damn, Shorty needs some attention.
Yeah.
I kind of figured like something with like the engine and the trans tune, because these like 07 to 09s you can tune the engine and the transmission separately.
Yeah, they have TCMs. They're completely separate. Yeah.
So like I think there's like some jiving that's not like super happy right now.
I think testing on your dyno for sure here soon.
That's usually like,
you would never
like bring it out here and be like, oh, 600, like hell yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you would really never think that this would have a problem though. Just off the setup.
I don't know. I think it just needs some extra attention and love.
It needs dyno time.
It sounds good. That's about it.
It does sound good. The rev limiter sounds good.
You won.
I did win. I'll expect my $1 later. The back off of shame.
Yeah, the back off of shame after making no horsepower. Pile of crap.
That's why we got the 05.
That's right. I'm just letting everybody down now so I could, make it up later. You know what? It's got to get bad before it gets good. I should roll my window up because I'm so ashamed. Like, don't look at me.
Yeah.
Nobody look at me.
Bye. Love you.
I love you.
All right.
Well, we definitely didn't win the limited either.
I don't think we won the anything. Maybe work stock. I bet you're in work stock.
We should put it in work stock with an S480 and 200% focus.
You know, everyone here is in denial that that's what this thing actually just made.
Yeah. You're telling me you got all that gold powder coat and got none of them horsepowers. You know what? You'll have that on them big jobs.
Yeah, you will.
We've got meeting of the minds with the VP. Got VP Power. We got CJ. We got Steve.
Patrick Brown.
We got Patrick from Moonlight.
The last 3 people in the world that believe in a VP.
Yep.
All in one spot.
That was beautiful. Well, guys, we are home with the Shorty from Thoroughbred, and yeah, it did not make quite the power that we were hoping that it would make. Definitely some bugs to work out, some kinks. We definitely need to log some stuff. We need to figure out exactly what's happening on the engine and the transmission side of things. I kind of told you guys that it was the first pass. You know, it could be sometimes it may be good, sometimes maybe not. You know, so no big deal. We will get it figured out. We'll get it ironed out. Just some bugs to work through on the Shorty, but yeah, 650 horsepower. That's currently what it's at. It feels way stronger than that, so I'm not sure. We got to do some testing. We got to do some tweaks, some changes, and we'll get it figured out like we usually do. I'm not worried about it one bit. So we'll work through that. We'll get it up to snuff. We'll make some power, but obviously the baseline first test of where it's kind of at now is it needs a little bit of help. But that's pretty much going to wrap up this video, guys. Appreciate you guys as always for tuning in, for watching. We're getting ready for Ultimate Callout Challenge right now, so my mind is like scatterbrained. Ultimate Callout Challenge. Make sure you guys are there. Make sure you guys get entered in the giveaway. We will see you guys there. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next video.